Hi and welcome back to my channel. Ever opened a Salesforce record and thought, why are these fields here? So that's controlled by something called a page layout. The entirety of this page is called the page layout. If you don't configure your page layout properly, your users might see the wrong fields, miss important information, or struggle to update records. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create, customize, and assign a page layout in Salesforce so you can control exactly what your users see. Let's get started. Head over to the back end from the settings gear and then access the page layout. For today, we are working with account page layout and we are going to be creating a new page layout. So we are going to be cloning any of the existing layouts, and I'm going to be cloning the account layout. Now for the page layout that we are going to be creating, I'm going to be calling it the lead gen layout because I'm going to be creating it for lead generation. I'm assuming I'm creating it for lead generation or lead generation team. So I'm going to save this layout and then I'm done. Not practically, but I'm done with the creation. So we can organize this layout in a way that we want. At the top, at the top left corner, you're going to see the list of fields, that are available for you to update or to remove from your page layout. So when you drag and drop, you simply drag and drop a field on the page layout by going to the field section and then dragging the field you want to be visible on this layout. You can scroll to the horizontally to the end of that section to see other fields that are on the field in the object. Now, after dragging your fields, you can also adjust by removing the ones that you don't want to be displayed on the page layout, because this page layout is going to be assigned to a particular profile. On the other hand, it's not just field that you are allowed to fix here. So we have the buttons and we have the section for the button. When you highlight or click the button section, you're going to see all the buttons that are on the account object. So you are allowed to select or remove the buttons that you want to sit on this particular page layout. Here I have selected my buttons that I want, and then I can go over the list of all the options we have inside the record page to see what else I want to update. There is the custom links, there is the custom link. You can select a particular custom link and put on your custom link session. In your custom link session, you can go over all the other options. You can find related lists here, mobile and lightning actions. Whatever you want to sit on your record page, you can select it and just drag and drop and put it over the page layout. So this is the entirety of what this page layout is. This page layout is just the classic page layout. It's not the new page layout that is in vogue now. It's just the classic page layout. So I'm dragging um some objects to also sit on the related list, but before I save, I want to preview it as if I'm a user in a particular profile. So let's assume I want to assign this page layout to this particular profile, but I want to view how it's going to look like before I save. So when you are previewing, it doesn't mean that this page layout has been saved. It means you want to see whether you are going to make any adjustments to what you have updated. By scrolling around, you can see the fields that I have already added while on the page layout setup. You can scroll down to see the related list, the buttons, the actions, and other things that are situated inside this page layout. And when you are done, you can close up this page and go back to the interface we were using before to save. There are other functions here, which is undo, redo, property layout, and you can explore the options to your own maximization so long as you are in your dev org. Now that we have saved, we can go over to the page layout assignment button to assign this page layout to a particular profile. As you can see, there are multiple profiles. We even gotten to the point of profiles, which I'll be explaining in much more videos. But we have multiple profiles here, and what we can do is just to edit the assignment button. Click on the edit assignment button and select the page layout which you want to assign to a particular profile. But giving you a clue, a profile is just made made up of users, so this can help you in controlling your access level, what people see, and the type of sharing settings that is being accrued to the particular users that are situated under this profile. So as I've selected the lead gen layout and I'm selecting the good partner user account, I'm going to be saving onto this to make sure that this is the only profile that has this page layout. And that is just it. We have created ourselves a custom page layout and assigned it to a good partner profile. See you in my next video. Bye.